Hey folks, welcome to the Opening Bell with Dan Frio. I'm Dan Frio. Today is April 27th, 2021. When you come back, we're going to talk Tesla, we're going to talk BitCoin, we're going to talk housing, and we're going to talk the Fed. All that is important information today if you're investing, so don't go away. Okay, so housing market's heating up. The economy's heating up. So what's the Fed going to do? Because the fear of inflation, they're not going to do anything. The Fed will stay put in 2021. That's basically what the markets wanted to hear. So you can see the stocks won't sell off. I'm not going to say they're going to rally, but you're not going to see a sell-off. Now let's see what's going on with a lot of stuff. Tesla came out and blew out earnings. One of the things that helped their earnings report was their Bitcoin position, but that alone wasn't the whole thing. They're selling a ton of cars. The next thing you see here is February housing prices see the biggest gain in 15 years. So that's talking about the Fed. So we covered the Fed, we talked about housing, we talked about Tesla. Let's go to the headlines over here. Stocks pull back as investors wait big tech earnings. Well, Tesla's the only one came out. As we went over yesterday, there's a ton of earnings report out today. There's about 4 to 5 times the amount that came in yesterday. So we're going to focus on that, or we're going to monitor that throughout the day. But the headline news is basically housing. Right here, prices are skyrocketing. Tesla came out with their numbers, earnings report, and it kind of blew the numbers off. But the stock is pulling back a little right now. It's a little rich, guys. And Bitcoin prices are skyrocketing. They went to about 47 late last week, and they're back up to 55 or higher. So let's get on to what's going on with our watch list. So as we watch every day, we watch our staples, which are Google, Apple, and Facebook. Those are up or they're down just a hair, nothing really. But look at it, we got a lot of green here. A big portion of the green is cryptocurrencies. I kept wanting to say Bitcoin. That's basically everybody says Google when it comes to the internet. It's the internet. So what we're focusing on this week is Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway is up 0.2. It has great returns. It has a great leadership. And what I want to do today is show you all of the companies that Berkshire Hathaway owns or has pieces in. Look at this. Look at this portfolio. Why would you go out there as an individual investor and try to amass a portfolio like this when you can just jump into Berkshire Hathaway? I'm not a financial planner. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a wealth advisor. I'm a mortgage guy. If you're looking to buy, refinance, build, or you're in forbearance, I'd love to help you. Why I do this is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm trying to educate you guys on how to build wealth without, and here, I'll say it this way, how to build wealth by minimizing risk on top of it, okay? So if you buy Berkshire Hathaway, look at all these companies that it has pieces of. You go through here and you probably owe or know 99% of these companies. Amazon, American Express, Apple, Bank of America, Bristol Myers Squibb, Coca-Cola, General Motors, Johnson & Johnson. The list goes on and on and on. Now, this is why I say, instead of putting your money into a savings account and getting 0.0005 returns, what's Berkshire Hathaway stock doing? Let's just look at it at just different periodic tables. Okay, so year-to-date returns, 16.93. Again, what's your bank giving you? 0.00001? Let's just look at 3 months. Where are we at 3 months? 17%. Well, we're only into the 4th month of this year. So let's go to 1 year, 45% return. Okay, that's I won't say anymore. If you're looking to put some money in and you're a new investor, you can buy this shares at $271 a share. You can buy a share, you can buy half a share, you can do all kind of different things with this. So I highly recommend you look at Berkshire Hathaway stock instead of putting your money into savings. Okay, so that's where we're at there. What's going on with cryptocurrency and the cryptocurrency prices? Well, you see Bitcoin is up 2% over the last 24 hours. Ethereum is up almost 5%. Over the past week, Bitcoin's down 2%. That's not going to show today's rally in there. It can't be because we were just at 47 the other day. Ethereum's up 18%, and let's go through, is anything really blowing out the numbers? Nope, nothing else is. And you're starting to see Dogecoin is down 30%. That's why I said, these things are hugely volatile. So if you're looking to invest in cryptocurrency, one, know what you're getting into. Do research on Ethereum and Bitcoin. These are the predominant players in the market. So I hold higher positions in Ethereum than I do in Bitcoin. Why? Well, if some people are buying, you know Bitcoin, you've heard of Bitcoin, you've heard of Dogecoin. If you haven't heard of any cryptocurrencies, you heard of Bitcoin. How do you buy Bitcoin? Well, you have to go on a network, and you can do it through PayPal, Coinbase, whatever. You can buy it, but when it's purchased on an Ethereum platform. So Ethereum controls a lot of the cryptocurrencies. I'll go over that later in the week on what it controls or what cryptocurrencies are transacted through their network. But that's why I'm more of a proponent of Ethereum, because when people get into Bitcoin, they have to use the Ethereum network. Okay, so that's where we're at there. What's happening with mortgage rates today and the Treasury yields? Well, the MBS market is down 6. This is what's going on with the price of a mortgage-backed security. This is a bond that trades on Wall Street that is the biggest component of mortgage rates. It's not the 10-year Treasury. It's not the Fed. It is this right here, and it's called MBS. It's down 6 basis points. What that means is when this is down, when the price is down, rates are up. 6 isn't really a number that's going to affect the markets at all. So don't worry about that. We're having just a little bit of a recovery right here. Here's the quarterly chart right here, and here's what's happening in the last couple weeks. We have a nice upward trend. Nothing goes straight up, so we're having just a little bit of a retrieval here. We got a top line right here. This is a Fibonacci level that'll create a top side or a ceiling on this thing, and this right here is the 50-day moving average. This should create a temporary floor, so we should be trading right in here for the next few days. If you like my videos, all I ask you to do is give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below. Click the bell so every time I post a video, you get an alert. If you want to find out about me and what I do, I'm a mortgage guy. Go to YouTube and check out the rate update with Dan Frio. You're going to find over 800 videos covering things from how do banks create your mortgage rate to all kind of different programs, how you can lock in your rate, and a whole bunch of other things, as well as I talk about the stock market every day and give you a little tidbits on where I'm investing, and maybe you can parlay some returns off of that as well. So God bless, guys. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later today. Bye-bye.